All right, we're all having fun, but let's be a little decent in our comment. Thank you.
Chimney Amajad Muslim.
Alright, chalo sude. Ali, happy hibo with you. Asa kole, Roland le, brother Rina le me. Vedaoyu Niih Chile is a heaven of my latitude chasawa. Chalo sude, Miss Paiva, chasude, is a my pasa sulun tade he. Dữ lên. Alright, ít tao với mình lâu xoan nữa. Vào số dữ, tao bùi hè DJ bùi hè, bùa lúa bùi hè, dancer bùi hè, nó chú mà số hi, ít tao sơ lên số dữ, ít tao nó khó số vào dữ, declaration ali sơ lệ.
Okay, so before we move on to the declaration of the results, I would like to give time to our esteemed judge, Mr. Banner Lanamai James. You can please come and take your time.
Wow, what a beautiful, beautiful day. First of all, I would like to thank God for this beautiful day. I'm sure every one of you enjoyed thoroughly. I would also like to thank the PNTM President and the PNTM Executive for executing such an incredible event. Honestly, hats off to them. I think they all deserve a round of applause. Before we leave, I would just like to take a short period of time. Today, as I'm here amidst all of you, a lot of you must be thinking, you know, each year I come for PNTMD Freshers Meet and I see this guy. You know, you must be seeing me and you must be like, this guy again. But honestly telling you, I love coming to an event like this. Why? Because it feels like home, far away from home. Amidst our people, sharing the same culture. It is a moment of pride for me to come out and getting a chance to speak to you all. You know, I would just like to share a short thought, what I've been thinking. We come to Delhi with big dreams, big hopes, but oftentimes we get distracted. It's never about how much we have in life. It's about how we utilize with what we have. You know, many of us come from a very humble beginning, but it's not about, you know, how much resources we have. It's about our dream, our faith in our heart. Today, as you go back, you know, I want you all to thank God. Why? Because God has planned and made us uniquely. God has a plan for us all. And we only live once. In this life, if we don't achieve what God has planned for us, it is not correct. We must go home. From my side, you know, I would like to advise you all to thank God for the things that we are about to receive in life. Many of us get discouraged by mere failures in life. But like I've said, God has a plan for each and every one of us. So I would like all of you to go home, especially the youth, and pray to God. Thank God for the plan. Thank God for all that you're about to receive in life. And I really, really wish that our community will grow in the days to come. Our community has grown immensely, let me tell you. 5-6 years back when I was in Delhi, and now it has grown immensely. And I'm very, very proud to be part of such community. So thank you once again for giving me this time. Just wanted to come up, you know, and thank you so much for giving me this time. I pray that the best Mr. and Miss will win, and you guys will be happy with our decision. As judges, We did our best, and I hope you all are satisfied with the result. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Lanamai James, for sharing your thoughtful insight with us. So now it's time for the declaration of the result. First, I will declare the Pumai's Got Talent results. So, do you have any guesses? Yes? We have 2 winners.
1 and 4.
So, to do the honor, I would like to call upon our convener, Mr. Roland Rao, to give out the second runners-up. So, the winner of PGT 2025 runners-up is... Any guesses? Any guesses? Come on, guys, any guesses? Okay, so the winner of PGT 2025 runners-up is serial number 3. Serial number 3. Serial number 3.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you. I would also like to call our president, Mr. Shah Auditorium, to give out the winners. So, the winner of PGT 2025, any guesses, guys? So, the winner of PGT 2025 is known by everyone here in the crowd. That person is a very famous singer among the Pumai community.
Number 4.
She also has her own YouTube channel where she put up her songs, originals and covers, so I guess you know her.
1.2.
Any guesses? So the winner of PGT 2025 is serial number 4.
All right. Here result declaration and to do the honor, we would like to request our convener and president to This is why it's very important to choose the right person, because she can correct you when you go wrong. Okay, Mr. and Miss, we result and declare so last year we Miss Hanaha ito Korean buhiye, ito we Mr. Hanaha lapu we wawa sana hahi buman and deli tautare savano. Okay, ito we Zoom Vedaoyu Niih we convener Mr. Roland Rao. Mr. Roland Rao will do the honor, and for Miss, may we request our last year Poumai Naga Tsiidoumai Me the Miss. Okay.
So the So, before I declare the result, I would like to thank all the freshers for having the courage to come and stand here in front of this big crowd and share your life experiences or anything with us. I'm very proud of you, and I also want to wish you all the very best of luck in your future endeavors. And maybe we have only 2 winners tonight, but for us, you're all winners because despite having so many freshers in our midst, the 12 of you, you had the courage to come and stand here. So that's a very big achievement. So everyone, let's give a big round of applause to all the freshers. Thank you. So, the winner of Mr. Fresher 2025 is, any guesses guys?
Forgot the names.
The winner of Mr. Fresher 2025 is Mr. Stanhope Sizzaloo. Mr. Stanhope Sizzaloo.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is our Mr. Fresher, Stanhope Sizzaloo. Mr. Sizzaloo, Najum Jahai Lam will get a picture together with our Miss. To Miss and I thought let's say. Any guess? Alright. To Miss and I Kupa Sizzaloo. 36 Vedaoyu 2025 PNTMD dan organization tali Miss and Hai Thonu Talude Dilutsu Miss Stella Leshiwine or Miss 2025 Stella Leshiwine. And there she is. A round of applause, come on. And passing on the crown and the shahs is our Miss 2024 PNTMD. Miss Kazazamoy. Fizazamoy. And that's exactly what I thought. Fizazashode. Alright, may we have our Mr. and Miss here. Yeah, and also please our former Miss can also join for a round of photo session for once. Yeah.
What about me?
And now only Mr. and Miss, one photo please. Alright, thank you. Round of applause please, come on.